Yeah, one thing I notice is a lot of the time we got to learn the lesson of not trying to like give people your very well hard-earned information and knowledge through your own tough experience and dedication and commitment to learn and to study and to learn from high knowledge beings to people who don't want it or are resisting it or just like not really respecting you or valuing you. And I used to do it a little bit, trying to help too much, wanting to help too much. But as a high passionate like type of Palladian type of energy, because I do really love that type of semi-identification, to be honest. Because like I find such a strong, massive correlation with their energies on myself. Nearly everything is true about my characteristics and the Palladians, which is bizarre. Not the Arcturians, they're much more like different. Either way, bottom line is I'm a divine being, I'm a human, and I'm also like certain characteristics outside of just being human too. So bottom line is we're source, God, infinite universe, spirit. That's the bottom line. But there's nothing wrong with having like small little labels for yourself, as long as you don't attach to them or take them too seriously. You know, if someone said I'm not a Palladian, like I was like, okay. If someone said you're wrong, like you're not a Palladian at all, you idiot, I'm like, fair enough, no problem. I don't care if I am or I haven't, or if you think I am or I am, no big deal. You see the light energy of that. But when you're identified and you think that's really who you are totally and fully, you become attached. Look at that, my friends. Look at that. Can you see the sunrise? Absolutely divine. Love that. Can I zoom in? No, that's just the brightness of it. That's so cool. I love that. Wow. How much I adore Mother Nature. And the sun is my favorite. Oh my goodness. Just can't get enough of it. You know. Yeah. So, healers, be careful not to like give away too much of your energy, you know? Or time, or knowledge that's sacredly earned by you. Oh my goodness, that's like such fun. Oh. I'm in love with a few little things in life. Woo! Coming at me. Oh my goodness, let's do some sun gazing. Oh yeah. This is just phenomenal. So why is this thing here? There's like a thing on my screen, but that's okay. Brightness. So the sun is a super high consciousness and will give you massive high energy if you request and ask with reverence and politeness, so to speak. So get out there in nature, get the sun energy, the sea energy, the air energy, the earth energy, the exercise energy. Hello, the ducky. Hi. Hello, the ducky. Hi. Nice to meet you. How are you today? Thanks for saying hello. Hello, the ducky. Good. Love you. You're very good. Animals understand you, by the way. I don't know. Saying stuff that most people don't know, you probably think I'm crazy if you're not new to this information. Hi. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, my friends. So do babies. Animals and babies can understand you. There's a lot of telepathy and energy understanding. Yeah. So no, energy can be communicated. Like energy is felt and communicated, even if it's not words. But yeah, they understand the meaning and vibration of it. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. I love this. Oh god, it's like divine. Whoa, big waves. Oh yeah, look at that picture. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is it. This is what life's about. Coming at me. So yeah, sun gazing will deliver you high frequency energy to your pineal gland and body and to your hormones, and I'm sure your chakras as well, your chakras. So sunbathing will do a similar thing. Less to your pineal gland, I think. But could be wrong there, who knows. Bottom line is it's amazingly good for you, so do it. And my friends, I've got to go. Lots of love to you. Thanks for watching. Check in my links below, befriend me on social media, say hello, leave your comments, give it a like, all this sort of stuff. Thanks for your support and love. Check you another time. See ya. Take care. You're great. Love you. You're amazing. So keep. I appreciate you.